Hello, beautiful moms, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new mom or about to become one, today's video is especially for you. We're going to talk about something that every breastfeeding mom will need at some point, a breast pump. Now, I know breastfeeding can be both a magical and sometimes challenging experience. There are moments when you can't nurse your baby directly. Maybe you're at work, traveling, or simply need a little rest. That's when a breast pump becomes your best friend. Today, I'll walk you through how to use a breast pump step by step, and I'll also share a few personal tips that have helped me make this process comfortable and stress-free. First, let's talk about why using a breast pump can make your life easier. It allows you to store milk for your baby ahead of time, helps relieve engorgement, and gives you a little more freedom while ensuring your baby still gets the best, your breast milk. When I first started, I was a bit nervous. I wondered, is it going to hurt? Will I even get enough milk? But once I learned the right way to use the pump and got comfortable with the process, it became part of my daily routine, almost second nature. Before you start, make sure your hands are clean and all the parts of your pump are properly washed and sterilized. Hygiene is super important because your baby's health depends on it. Now, gently place the breast pump over your breast. Make sure the silicone shield fits snugly around your nipple. This helps create the vacuum seal that's needed to express milk effectively. If it doesn't fit right, it can cause discomfort and reduce milk flow. Once you have a good fit, start pumping slowly. You'll begin to feel a gentle suction. It shouldn't be painful. It should feel more like a baby's natural suckling. As you continue, you'll start to see the milk flow into the bottle. That's always such a satisfying moment for moms. And don't worry if it takes a minute or two to get started. Every mom's body is different. Relax, take a few deep breaths, maybe play some soft music or look at a photo of your baby. It really helps stimulate milk flow. One thing I really love about using a good quality breast pump is how convenient it is. You can store the milk safely in a bottle or storage bag, label it with the time and date, and keep it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. I personally recommend using it within 3-4 hours if possible for maximum freshness. And the best part? You can pump and go. Whether you're going on a trip, visiting family, or just want to take a short nap while someone else feeds the baby, you'll always have that peace of mind knowing your baby has milk ready. So, stay with me till the end. I'll show you exactly how to assemble, use, and clean your breast pump easily. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and comfortable expressing milk anytime you need. If you're ready, grab your breast pump and let's begin this little journey together. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button if you find this helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more mom tips, and share your experiences in the comments below. All right, moms, let's get started.